Hello guys, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to learn the AWK command. Let's begin. AWK command is used for pattern searching and processing the text. It is used for pattern searching and processing the text. It is used to search one or more files to identify matching patterns. So it is used for search in one or more files to identify matching patterns. So it is mainly scan files line by line. It splits each input line into field. These are the main purpose of the AWK command. So let's understand this command usage by examples. First, we will see the what is the syntax of the AWK command. AWK is the command. Then we have to specify the options. Then here we will specify the selection criteria. Selection criteria. Then we will give the action, what we want to do on the files, those actions here. Then input file. If you want to take the output of that in the redirection format, you can use the output file. That's your wish. Okay, this is the syntax of the AWK command. So let's understand the AWK command using the examples. Let's log in into our Linux server. For our practice, I had created the one file as the employee.txt here. So it has the our cricketers names like Rohit, Sachin, Virat, and Kapil and Rahul. And I'm given the specify the age and salary of the Rohit, Sachin, and Virat is Kapil, and Rahul is the employee of the some company, and his age and his salary. Okay, so I wanted to fetch some information from this file. I wanted to process this file. I wanted to fetch some information from this file. So in this case, AWK command will help you to process this. Okay, first I wanted to print whole file using the AWK command. Like however I have displayed all the information using the cat command, right? Same way, I wanted to display all the information from the file using the AWK command. That is possible using the AWK curly braces print. It will print all the lines and fields in the file and our file name employee.txt. So now you can see there is no difference between this output and this output, right? So if you want to print all the fields and lines from the file, you can use the AWK single quote curly braces print curly braces close single quote close and our file name. So in this way you can display the whole file using the AWK command. Now I wanted to get the information of this specific employee. For example, I wanted to get the information of the Sachin. Okay, then AWK single quote. Here you can specify your searching pattern. Like Sachin is my searching pattern. Space. I wanted to print the Sachin line. Print. Then single quote is the close our file name. So it has given the information about the Sachin. Sachin is the employee, age is the 35, and 70,000 is the salary. So I'm able to fetch specific information from the our file, right? Now I'm able to print the single line from the file. But now I wanted to display the single field from the file. For example, I wanted to display the name field from the file. You can use the AWK print space $1. I wanted to print first one, means $1. How many fields you are having, those many arguments here we have to use. For example, $1 for print the only name field. So now you can see it is printed the only name field from the our file. If I wanted to print the first field and third field, you can use the comma $3rd. So see here it is display the name and salary field of all the employee from the file. Okay, now I wanted to get the information who has the salary 70,000. So here I have to specify the search pattern 70 space. Now you can see here only two employees have the salary as the 70,000, Rohit and Sachin. So these two entries are displayed in the output. If you want to store this output into the file, so you can use the redirection. Here you can give the any name, for example, test emp.txt. So this output stored into the another file. For example, you can check so now you can see this output is stored into the test emp file. So if you want to use this file in the future, you can use that file. Okay, now in this way you can get the any information from the your file. For example, now I wanted to display information of the Kapil. So you can use here Kapil as the search pattern. Print all wherever is the Kapil from the my employee.txt file. Now you can see it is printed. So you can print the fields, you can print the specific fields like you wanted to print the name and salary field. If you want to print the name and age field, for example, now I wanted to fetch Kapil with name and salary field only. I don't want to display the age. So here you can use the $1, comma $3. So if you want to display only then in this format, for example, $2, after the salary you wanted to display the age. So in this way you can format in the different formations. Okay, and you can create the different files and you can process those files however you required in your actual work. Okay, so these are the basic usage of the awk command. In the awk command, we have some built-in variables. We will see. One is the built-in variables are the we will see some popular built-in variables. One is the nr, another one is the nf. Okay, first nr is used for assign the line numbers in files. nf is used for display the last field. Okay, now we will see that example how we can use this built-in variables. Now I wanted to display the file with the line number. For example, if I display whole file, print, it will display whole file, right? employee.txt. So it is displaying whole file, but it is not having any line number. If I wanted to display with the line number, just you can use nr. nr is displaying only line numbers. But from first to last, I wanted to display from first to last. You can use the comma $0. $0 is used for displaying all the lines and fields from the file. Now you can see it is displaying all the lines and fields from the file with the line number. If you use the $0, it is used for display all the lines and fields from the file. In this way, you can assign the line numbers and display the output from your file. Okay. Next built-in variable is the nf. How we can use that? We will see with the example. For example, I wanted to display the output second to end. For example, I have the first field is the name, second field is the age, third field is the salary. I wanted to display start from the second field to the end of the all fields which whatever are available in the file. Now I wanted to display those using the awk command. awk print dollar, from where I wanted to display age. Age is the second field. $2, comma $nf. Curly braces, close it, employee.txt. Now you can see it is displaying the second to end. In my file, I have the end field is the salary. So because of that, it is displaying the end. If you want to display from first to end, you can use the first and end field. First field and end field means here instead of using the $3, you can use the nf. Means whatever is the last field of your file, that field and your first field. If you want to display in this way, for example, last field, comma, your first field, salary, comma, name. So in this way, you can format however you required in your organization, or however required for processing your file in your real world scenario. Based on your requirement, you can use the awk command. This is very powerful while writing the shell script, and it is a very powerful for processing the file, for getting the information from the file. So these are the some popular way to use the awk command. uh, uh, Please practice these all the examples and use based on your scenario in your actual environment. So thank you for listening this session. If you like my session, please like the video, comment in my videos, and also share this video with your friend. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for listening. Thank you.